everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you information about Uber Eats delivery driver app, how to use food delivery driver app Uber, how to log in, how much you will earn, what are the zones, what is the delivery fees you will receive, what is the best time to work for the food delivery, which one is the best vehicle to use, pro and cons and earning in this video. So let's start. So I got this app Uber driver here. I need to click on that. Once you will have your Uber account and you are registered and everything is done, you need to log in. I'm already logged in, so I'm not gonna go offline and log in again. Once you will log in, you will see this button, go. There are other options here about your promotions, payments, wallet, account, everything, inbox. So in promotions you can see the boost that today till 10 p.m. I think it is between 1.1 and 1.5 boost per trip. Yeah, now what is the difference between Uber and other app is Uber is not showing you exact amount that how much Uber will pay you. You can see after complete the delivery. That is the only difference, and I think it's a little bit annoying because everybody would like to know that how much they will get paid. So that's the difference. And if you see 1.1, 1.2, these are the zones. Is a Leicester Central. It's for per delivery there is a boost of 1.1. I means whatever the amount, for example they paid you 450, so in 450 you can multiply by 1.1. So it would be 450 multiplied by 1.1, so it's 40-60 pound pence more. So 1.2 is same, for example it's a 4 pound, then you need to multiply by 4 into 1.2, so it's like 80 pence more, so it's a 480. So once you will log in, if you will click on login, you will receive this information that confirm the COVID-19 precautions and everything. You go just check everything that you agree with all the terms and conditions and everything, and ready to deliver. Once you will click on that, you need to press on go, and now I am online. Okay, so now you can see it is saying finding trips, but because I am in my house right now, I'm not in center, so maybe I will not receive any notifications or anything, because I think 1 mile or 1.5 mile far from the city center, from the town. Okay, so once I have started I am online, it will consistently find trips. As you can see, it is keep saying finding trips. So if anybody will order food, I will receive the invitation here, and it will just say that it will show only the boost 1.1 or 1.2. even you are not able to see customer's address. You will see customer's address only after you have accepted the food from the restaurant, and then you can just deliver the food, and whatever the amount Uber wants to give you, it will give you. So there is no fixed amount. In what is the difference between Just Eat, Stuart, Deliveroo and Uber is only one, that Uber will never show you the exact amount what they are gonna pay you. And before that it was not even showing address on map, but now they have changed that in their app. Now you can see the address on your app, that where you needs to go. So that's a helpful feature they have added, and it should be there. So now before that people are not doing jobs on Uber because of that reason only, that you can't know that where you're going. So now you can see that on app, so that's a good thing. You can't say pay how much they will pay, as I say. And yeah, that's it. That's the all thing here, nothing else, nothing too much to give you information. And the good thing is, in payments you can transfer your payment anytime in whole day, or maximum 5 times in one day, and you can transfer after 5 days, 6 days, 2 days. For example, it is £50 or £10, and if you want, you can do cash out by paying minimum, very less fee. It is a 50p only. So generally what I'm doing is 3-4 days I am working, and then I'm just doing cash out. So I need to pay 50p only, and I can transfer all my money. So you don't need to wait weekly. For example, in Stuart, you need to wait for your payment for 1 week, because they are transferring every week. In Uber, if you will not uh, cash out, then you will receive payment every week, but you can cash out anytime. So that is a good feature. And that's it, that's everything. All the COVID-19 restrictions and all information are there: inbox, promotions, payment, wallet, account. All the details are here. So it was a small video. I'll try to give you some practical examples as well when I'm in town. So I'll try to do that as well, so that it will be easier for you to understand that how this app is working. But it is a small introduction for the people who are working new and who have an issue to use this app. If you have any questions, please write down below the description, so I'll try to give the answer as soon as possible. If you like the video, do share, subscribe, give me thumbs up. Thank you.